welcome to the ultimate all-in-one web design and development course, designed specifically to transform you from a total beginner to a professional, hireable, and highly skilled all-star web designer and developer. My name's Brad Hussey. I run a successful web design and development company way up here in Canada, and my mission is not only to provide my clients with the absolute best design and development solutions, but to provide my students with massive life-changing value, allowing them to start their own successful careers as web designers, developers, and freelancers. This course is an epic journey designed to give you the skills that you need to start a real career in the industry. I'm going to start from the very beginning and teach you the essentials of visual design to designing websites in Photoshop, from coding your very first HTML and CSS websites to building responsive mobile-friendly Bootstrap sites, from programming jQuery games to dynamic PHP and MySQL applications. Once I've taught you everything from design to development, I'll then wrap the whole thing up with a valuable career section where I'll teach you how to craft the perfect resume, how to nail a job interview, how to negotiate a higher salary, and even how to start a successful freelance career. Some of you may actually be proficient in one or two of the sections in this course. And while I recommend taking the course from beginning to end, top to bottom, you can most certainly take a choose your own adventure approach as well. I've been fortunate enough to build up a following of over 70,000 students, and what that means for you is if you have any problems or questions, you have a lot of people there to help you. So throughout the course, if you have any questions, concerns, problems, any bugs that you need help with, feel free to use the message boards. And not only will I be there to help you, but thousands of others will be there too. I'm really excited to take you along this journey with me, and I know you're going to love this course. More importantly, you're going to be amazed by what you can achieve. Let's do this.